It's your girl Eveeee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Okay, guys, come let me show you how I made this delicious peppered Wele stew to accompaniment my waakye. I didn't have shito, so I just thought of making this stew peppery. And then waakye ne call papa, so everyone was asking for more. Let's go, guys. So in a saucepan, I am going to cook my Wele Kpomo or cow skin or cow hide. Okay, so I added some water, some seasoning, some little salt to taste, and then my blended garlic, onion, ginger, and then I cover it for it to cook. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, yeah, so over here now our Wele is cooked, so we start with our stew. So I added my oil, my blended garlic, ginger, onion. I stir for it to cook, and because we wanted it to be like shito stew, we allow it to cook very well. Then we add lots of pepper, so I'm using powdered pepper. Yeah, so this is about 10 tablespoonful. Yeah, so I stir and allow it to also cook very well. So once it's cooked, yeah, you add your tomato. So I added some crushed tomatoes and my tomato puree. So you know what, let's enjoy this video. And please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, okay? So you check it out. I also want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the likes, the comment, the subscription, the share. Oh my goodness, I am overwhelmed. God bless you. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So now you can see we've added our tomato puree. So we're gonna stir, cover it for it to cook a little while. Then we add some water to it. Then we add our seasoning, and then we cover it for it to also cook. Yes, the last time I showed you how to know that your stew is well cooked when the oil surfaces. Okay, I mean the stew is stewing. Just look at this. Yeah, so you see my stew is stewing. So I add my cooked Wele or Kpomo, and just look at that, we are almost done. So sometimes you want to eat waakye fried rice, but you don't have shito available and you don't know how to get shito. Maybe you can't make shito at the moment. Just make this peppered stew and you are good to go. Well, I added this cow feet sitting in my freezer doing nothing. I was like, hey, and just look at this, family. It was so nice. It tasted just like shito and then stew at the same time. So I just added some onions for garnishing and also for more flavor and to enjoy the crunchiness of the onion. And voila, my peppered Wele stew was ready. So I served it with my smooth Ghanaian local waakye, and it was delectable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, comments, like, please subscribe so we grow together, and share this video to your friends and family. Okay, walashe nakonofia. I bet you try this recipe and you will thank me. Thank you guys, and see ya in our next video. I love you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.